Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to update AMD Radeon Graphics card drivers. So I'm going to tell you one of the best way to download the AMD Radeon Graphics card drivers. We will be downloading it and installing it, and trust me, it is very easy to do it because you don't have to do anything. It will be auto detected. So the best way to download and update the AMD Radeon graphic card drivers, open your browser and type amd.com/en/support. Now once you do that, auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon series graphics and Ryzen chipsets. So we will be updating the graphics as well as the chipset, which is a very good thing if you are using Windows 10. So I'll click on download now, and once you click on download, and it will be open up like this, and you just need to click on install, and in your window will appear. It will check PC hardwares for drivers and software compatibility, and here you will get the recommended one. So as I said, automatically detect which driver, which graphics and chipset that you are using, and it will automatically recommended you that what exactly you need. So here you can see AMD Radeon RX. You just need to click on install and it will start installing. When you click on next, you see the option that GPU, PCI driver, processor management. So whatever is recommended, I would recommend to check all and install it. And once you do that, please let me know in the comment section if you have successfully updated your graphics and chipset. So thank you for watching.